Are you wondering which web hosting service offers the best performance for WordPress, Kinsta, or Bluehost? Well, I've tested both to give you an honest comparison on their speed, reliability, and overall performance. Stick around to find out which one truly delivers on their promises. Plus, I'll be sharing a better alternative at the end of the video, so you'll definitely want to keep watching. First up, let's talk about speed. Kinsta is known for its blazing fast performance, thanks to its use of Google Cloud Platform's premium tier network. This means it can handle heavy traffic loads without breaking a sweat. On the other hand, Bluehost, while offering decent speeds, isn't quite on a same level. The shared hosting plans may not provide the same performance during traffic spikes. So, if your site requires optimal performance, Kinsta has the edge here. Next thing, user experience. Kinsta uses a custom-built dashboard that's sleek and easy to navigate. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced users. But Bluehost, being more affordable and offering a variety of plans, has a more traditional cPanel interface. While cPanel is familiar to many, it can be overwhelming to beginners. Kinsta's interface is simply more user-friendly and designed with performance in mind, especially for those focusing on WordPress. The third thing to consider is customer support. Kinsta offers 24/7 premium support, including live chat and ticketing, with WordPress experts who can help you troubleshoot complex issues fast. Bluehost, however, has good support, but often takes longer to resolve more technical problems. So if you're running a business or need immediate help, Kinsta support is more robust. Fourth thing, price. Now, Kinsta isn't cheap. Plans start around $35 per month for their basic WordPress plan. But this price reflects the quality of service you're getting, including fast speeds, security, and excellent support. Bluehost, on the other hand, offers more affordable options, with plans starting at just $2.95 per month, which might be better for a small site or personal blog. If budget is your main concern, Bluehost might be more suitable, but keep in mind that you're sacrificing performance and support. Fifth, let's talk about security. Kinsta security features include daily backups, a free SSL certificate, proactive monitoring, and automatic updates, all aimed at keeping your site safe from hacks and vulnerabilities. Bluehost offers similar security features, but it's important to note that they're more of an entry-level host, so you'll need to manually configure some of the security aspects on your own. If you want peace of mind with security, Kinsta does provide that extra layer of protection. The last thing is scalability. As your site grows, you'll need a hosting provider that can grow with it. Kinsta excels in this area, offering managed WordPress hosting that scales smoothly without you needing to worry about performance. Bluehost's shared hosting can be limiting if you expect a high volume of visitors, and you might need to upgrade to their more expensive plans or switch to VPS hosting. So, Kinsta is better equipped to handle your site's growth in terms of performance and reliability. So, which one is the better option for WordPress performance? While both Kinsta and Bluehost have their merits, Kinsta's premium features, fast speeds, and top-tier support put it ahead for serious WordPress users or businesses who need high performance. That said, if you're just getting started and need a budget-friendly option, Bluehost might do the job. But after testing both of these, I can say there's a better option out there. If you want better performance for your WordPress site, I recommend trying the hosting provider linked in the description below. This service has a proven track record of speed and reliability, and you can take advantage of an exclusive free trial through our link. Don't miss out on the best trial offer available to our viewers.